Paliwanag, paliwanag, paliwanag.
And Philippine Charity Sweepstakes. Senator Christopher Bongo denies any knowledge about the motive behind the murder of retired general and Philippine Charity Sweepstakes of
As usual, deny pa rin tayo, Bongo. Ha? Magpasikat ka na, eleksyon na. Dapat magtapang-tapangan ka na. Harapin mo yung Quadcom, ha? Oo, kung gusto mo manalo, harapin mo ang Quadcom. Yan. Baka manalo ka pa ganyan. Ha? Huwag mong tatakasan to. Malaking issue tungkol kay Barayuga. Ha? Tinuturo kang may kinalaman dito, ha?
Office Board Secretary Wesley Barayuga in 2020. He also denies knowing any information that former PCSO Chairman Anselmo Pinili has about the matter. During the House Quadcom hearing last week, Pinili revealed that he reported to Go and former Undersecretary in the Office of the President, Jesus Melchor Kitain, of the motive behind Barayuga's killing, based on the parallel investigation that he conducted. Barayuga was shot and killed by a motorcycle rider while on his way home from the PCSO headquarters in Mandaluyong on July 30, 2020. The Philippine National Police will reopen the murder case as new details.
Yan ang magandang balita dyan. Re-reopen po ang kaso ni Barayuga. Ganyan. Nako. Sana po Sana po ang aking hiling kay CIDG Director Nicolas Torre III. Sana po sir, isama nyo sa mga lista yan, sa mga pwedeng madawit. Yan dating Pangulo at itong si Bongo. Isama nyo yan sa lista at magpaliwanag sa publiko at sa mga Congress. Sa Congress dyan sa Quadcom, ipatawag nyo po yan mga taong yan. Imposibleng walang alam. Ang nangyari kasi parang nagtakpanan. Tinakpan yung issue. Dinagdag yung pangalan ni Barayuga sa listahan ng narco-list. Diyos ko. Para mapagkamalan, drug-connected yung nangyari. Pero hindi. Hindi po. Diyos ko.
Came to light implicating government officials in the killing. This follows the revelation by Police Lieutenant Colonel Santi Mendoza of the PNP Drug Enforcement Group during the House Quad Committee hearing where he identified those who gave the order to kill Barayuga.
Pumatay kami ng inosente. Sila Sir Leonardo na nag-utos sa amin at si
Tira mo ang tingin ni Leonardo. Sa isip ni Leonardo. Huwag ka magpapakita ng emosyon. Pag nakitaan tayo ng emosyon, lagot ako dito kay Duterte. Matayin ako dito ni Digong.
Ma'am Garma po.
Regina Garma was the former general manager of the PCSO, while Adalberto Leonardo, who is now a National Police Commission commissioner, was the former regional director of the Criminal Investigation and Detection Unit in Davao. Both of them have denied the allegations.
Siyempre.
But Barayuga's family is convinced they finally have the answers.
Yung pamilya po ni Barayuga, pabor sa pag-reopen ng kaso ng kanilang tatay, kanilang asawa, kanilang tito. Sabi ni Mikey Nazal, today we finally have answers. We have a confession and the names and faces of our tito's killers. Si Mendoza nga po yun. In the 7th joint public hearing of the Quadcom Committee, PLD Colonel Santi Mendoza, we finally have answers. At tingin naman talaga ng pamilyang ito, pabor na buksan ang kaso. Kabahan ka na, Bongo. Kasi lalalim pa at lalalim ito. Hanggang hindi ka dyan umaamin o dumidepensa sa Quadcom, mahihirapan ka magpaliwanag. Di ba?
The names and faces of killers. Mikey, Barayuga's nephew, says he was looking into discrepancies in Garma's operations. The PNP says the new revelations demand a thorough reinvestigation of the murder. Police officers who previously handled the Barayuga case will also be probed. The National Capital Region Police Office initially investigated the case in 2020, but after 6 months, there were no significant developments, so the case was transferred to the CIDG. A new team from CIDG will lead the investigation. The first step will be to summon Mendoza to provide a sworn written statement, as well as Nelson Mariano, the former police corporal tasked with recruiting individuals for the hit job.
Titingnan natin sino ba yung mga nag-imbestiga dito, nagkakaroon ba ng kapabayaan,
Yan, isa rin yan. Very good. Malaman kung sino nag-imbestiga at tama ba yung proseso ng pag-imbestiga o nagkaroon ng takpanan. Lagot kayo dyan kung tinakpan nyo talaga.
nagkaroon ba ng pagtatakip, sino po ba yung mga nakaposisyon
Ay,
during
wala
that
ko
time.
sinasabi hindi po yan si Garma, hindi. Hindi yan si Leonardo, hindi Along hindi yan si Bongo, hindi. Ayop yan.
Nung mangyari yan, sino ang mga humawak ng kaso, lahat po yan ay pinabubuksan po ng ating Chief PNP.
Those responsible for the crime may face criminal and administrative charges.
Nausap po niya yung ating mga commanders, yung ating pong mga directors po ng ating mga directorates, particularly yung ating pong Directorate for Intelligence, Directorate for Investigation and Detective Management, yung DIDM po. The ACG is also there, CIDG is also there. So lahat pa po ng sa tingin natin ay makakatulong dito sa investigation po na ito ay pinatap na po ng ating GPNP. And he wants results po the soonest possible.
He wants results! Kabahan ka na, Bongo! Umamin ka na bago mo nila malaman ng mabibigat na mga ebidensya papunta sa'yo. Umamin ka na kung ako sa'yo. Tama na pagpaliwanag sa mainstream media. Magpaliwanag ka na sa Quadcom.
Possible.
Mendoza and Police Colonel Hector Grijaldo have already been dismissed from their positions. Grijaldo, who is currently assigned to the Drug Enforcement Group, was the chief of the Mandaluyong Police at the time of Barayuga's murder. The two have been placed in restrictive custody by the PNP at the Personnel Holding Admin Unit of Camp Crame. The PNP will also investigate how Barayuga's name was included in the alleged list of those involved in illegal drugs. Barayuga's batchmates in the Philippine Military Academy Matikas class of 1983 expressed gratitude to the House Quad Committee for the inquiry that led to the identification of alleged suspects.
Buti naman.
For Barayuga's family, they may have the answers, but this is still not the
Our family may have answers, but justice, I don't think so. I don't know if we will ever truly have it because of what we have already lost. Nevertheless, the truth is out. It is a step forward. True, hindi naman po talaga mababalik ang buhay ni Barayuga, pero kunin natin ang hustisya. Sino yung mga taong nagpabagsak kay Barayuga? Yun ang importante na Wala na tayo dun sa buhay wala na. Wala na siya, matagal na siyang wala. Pero at least, malaman natin yung totoo. Hindi yung ginawang istorya patungkol kay Barayuga. Yun po ang importante. Closure din para sa pamilya talaga na alam nilang katotohanan.
the justice they are looking for. They seek prayers as they continue to seek legal justice for Barayuga. Meanwhile, the House Quad Committee will recommend the filing of criminal charges against Garma and Leonardo. Representative Jervil Luistro told Carmina Constantino's podcast Casey After Hours, the Quadcom will come out with a partial report in the coming weeks.
Okay.
Sadly, kasama po sa recommendation namin na to, no less than Colonel Garma and Colonel Leonardo. Because I think all the Filipino people were able to witness
Yes.
na lahat po ng testigo natin, silang dalawa ang itinuturo. We will be coming up with a partial report.
Michael Delizo.
So, very good news po ito sa atin. Very good news po ito sa atin. Ano sabi ni Tom Dulay, sa wakas, nagising na mga tao na wala na ang takot sa mga Duterte. Panahon na para imbestigahan ang mga katiwalian ni Duterte. Correct, Tom Dulay. Shout out sa iyo, Tom. Tama yung sinabi mo. Masyado silang naging gahaman nung sila ang nakaupo. Hindi nila alam, pag wala na sila sa pwesto, pwedeng maalungkat lahat ng baho. Di ba? Nangangamoy na nga si Bongo nangangamoy. Isang trapong politiko. Nakikita yung mga video-video ni Bongo sa simbahan. Style mo, bulok! Mga tangang boboto sa'yo. Mga DD shits lang. Diyos ko, mauto-uto. Diyos ko. Ngayon nga, mayroon siyang hearing sa Senado. Yun sa PhilHealth, nagbibida-bida. Nagbibida-bida si Bongo ngayon. Nagbibida-bida po si Bongo kasi malapit ng eleksyon. Kunwari may ginagawa. So pag ang paghandaan mo po, Bongo, etong Quadcom, paghandaan mo na, ilabas mo na mga ebidensya na wala kang koneksyon kasi pag hindi mo na ilabas, sila ang maghahanap ng katotohanan para sa iyo. Good luck sa iyo, ha? Kung manalo ka niyan. Pag hindi ka nagharap sa Quadcom, mababawasan ang mabutante mo kasi may kita kang mahinang leader. Hindi mo kayang humarap. Kung totoo ka nagsasabi ng totoo, harapin mo. Harapin mo ang problema. Susan Batusin. Ay, hala. Hala, minura ko. Si Raulo! Sumama ka doon kay Digong. Mag-adik-adik kayo. Doon ka, makipagsiksikan ka doon sa puwet ni Inday Sara mo. Gago!